Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're taking a look at Olixar's film screen protector for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Let's start things off with the installation of the screen protector. To start, clean the screen with the included wipes. Make sure you remove all dirt from the screen. Now, you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Ensure you remove all moisture from the screen. Next, use the dust collector and dab it on the screen to remove any dust. Take your time with this step, as it is important not to get anything trapped underneath the protector. Now, peel back the tab labelled 1 to expose the top section of the film. Carefully align this section to the top area of the phone. Then, firmly press it down using the application card. Then, push the application card from the top to the bottom of the phone to detach the plastic from the film. With the application card, firmly run it along the screen to ensure the plastic is attached well and there are no bubbles. Ensure the area around the second tab is firmly attached to the screen. Now it's time to peel back tab 2. When doing so, ever so slightly hold down the corner of the film with the application card. Once the corner of tab 2 has been lifted, put the application card to the back of the protector and use it to help pull back the plastic and fit the film. Then push down the edges, either using your finger or the microfiber cloth to attach it to the screen. Now the screen protector is installed, you will need to go into your phone's settings to change some. Once you're in the settings menu, go to Display, then go to Display Settings and flick the toggle to Increase Screen Sensitivity. Once you have done this, please re-add your fingerprint. This should alleviate any issues with the fingerprint sensor not working with the screen protector. I hope this helps you install your film screen protector. Please subscribe for more videos from Mobile Fun. Share with anyone that you know that needs to protect their Pixel screen. And finally, to buy this screen protector or any other phone accessories, check out the link in the description.